Good morning, students. 5th standard English, term 2, unit 1 and 2, revision, third revision. Unit 1 and 2, prose 1, the gift. Prose 2, the strength in his weakness. Poem 1, Mother Nature. Poem 2, The Swimmer. Supplementary 1, The Two Pigeons. Supplementary 2, Practice makes a man perfect. Now we are going to revision. First Roman synonyms. First one, cruel. Porridge. P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E. Porridge. Kanji. K-N-G. Kanji. Cruel, porridge, kanji. Second one, feeble. Weak. பலவீனமாக. Feeble, weak, பலவீனமாக. W-E-A-K. Weak. பலவீனமாக. 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 Feeble, weak, பலவீனமாக. Third one, denied. Refused, மறுப்பு. R-E-F-U-S-E-D. refused, மறுப்பு. மறுப்பு, மறுப்பு. Denied, refused, மறுப்பு. Fourth one, shabby, worn out, கந்தலாடை. W-O-R-N. worn, O-U-T, out, worn out, கந்தலாடை. கா இன் த இல் கந்தல் ஆடை. ஆடை, கந்தலாடை. ஷபி, worn out, கந்தலாடை. Fifth one, fortune, luck, அதிர்ஷ்டம். Fortune, luck, அதிர்ஷ்டம். A D A is ta im, அதிர்ஷ்டம். Fortune, luck, அதிர்ஷ்டம். Sixth one, wonder, surprise, ஆச்சரியம். Wonder, surprise, ஆச்சரியம். S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, surprise, ஆச்சரியம். ஆ-இச்-ச-ரி-ய-இம், ஆச்சரியம். Wonder, surprise, ஆச்சரியம். Seventh one, ridiculed, teased, கேலி செய்தல். T-E-A-S-E-D, teased. T-E-A-S-E-D, teased, கேலி செய்தல். கேலி, கேலி. செய்தல், செ-இ-த-இல், செய்தல், கேலி செய்தல். ridicule, teased, கேலி செய்தல். Eighth one, ribs, forcibly, கிழித்தெறி. ribs, forcibly, கிழித்தெறி. F-O-R-C-I-B-L-Y, forcibly. F-O-R-C-I-B-L-Y, forcibly, கிழித்தெறி. கி-லி-இத்-தெ-ஏ-ரி, கிழித்தெறி. ribs, forcibly, கிழித்தெறி. Ninth one, flair, ability அல்லது talent. O-B-I-L-I-T-Y, ability. O-B-I-L-I-T-Y, ability அல்லது talent. T-A-L-E-N-T, talent, திறமையாக. தி-ர-மை-யா-க, திறமையாக. flair, ability, talent, திறமையாக. Tenth one, strain, force, தள்ளுதல். Tenth one, strain, force, தள்ளுதல். F-O-R-C-E, force, தள்ளுதல். ட-இல்-லு-த-இல், தள்ளுதல். strain, force, தள்ளுதல். F-O-R-C-E, force, த-இல்-லு-த-இல், தள்ளுதல். strain, force, தள்ளுதல். 11th one, give up, surrender, விட்டுவிடு. give up, surrender விட்டுவிடு. surrender surrender. surrender surrender. விட்டுவிடு. விட்டு விட்டு விடு விடு விட்டுவிடு. give up surrendered விட்டுவிடு. 12th one stroke. hit அடி. hit hit அடி அடி stroke hit அடி. 13 cheer glee மகிழ்ச்சி. glee glee மகிழ்ச்சி. மகிழ்ச்சி மகிழ்ச்சி cheer glee மகிழ்ச்சி. 14th one excel exceptionally good சிறப்பாக. exceptionally exceptionally good good சிறப்பாக. சிறப்பாக. 15th one passion strong emotion தீவிர நாட்டம். passion strong emotion தீவிர நாட்டம். strong strong emotion 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 strong emotion தீவிர நாட்டம். தீவிர நாட்டம் தீவிர நாட்டம். Now we are going to second Roman. Antonyms, that is opposite. First one appearance. disappearance. disappearance. appearance opposite disappearance. Second one rich. rich. poor. poor poor. rich opposite poor. Third one village. village opposite town. town village town. Fourth one accept. accepted opposite refused. refuse. accept refused. Fifth one hide. hide opposite show. show. hide opposite show. Sixth one stranger. stranger opposite familiar. familiar. stranger familiar. Seventh one lock. lock opposite unlock. unlock. lock unlock. Eighth one heavy. heavy opposite light. light. heavy light. Ninth one victory. failure. failure. victory opposite failure. failure. victory failure. 10th one surprise. surprise opposite unsurprise. unsurprise. surprise unsurprise. 11th one easy. difficult. difficult. easy difficult. 12th one strength. strength opposite weak. weak. strength weak. 13th one believe. believe opposite unbelieve. unbelieve. 14th one own. own opposite loss. loss. 15th one perfect opposite imperfect. imperfect. perfect imperfect. Now we are going to third Roman memory poem. 2 memory poem for this term. Second term mother nature. First one mother nature, second one the swimmer. First one mother nature. Look at the hospitality of mother nature. It gives everything to all creatures. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadow and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and a refreshing place for the herd. Recall one time. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creatures. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadow and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and a refreshing place for the herd. Second poem, The Swimmer. She stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. She dives like the fish. To be like her, one can only wish. She swims with perfect flight. Her strokes like dancing light. Recall one time. The swimmer. She stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. She dives like the fish. To be like her, one can only wish. She swims with perfect flight. Her strokes like dancing light. Okay, students, now we are going to fourth Roman. Answer the following. First question. First one. Where was the old man sleeping? Where was the old man sleeping? The old man was sleeping under a tree. The old man was sleeping under a tree. Under a tree is a main answer. U-N-D-E-R. Under a T-R-E-E tree. Under a tree. The old man was sleeping. Already having question. Under a tree is a main answer. You write, copy down carefully. Under a tree is a main answer. Now we are going to second question. What was the dish served to the old man? What was the dish served to the old man? Gruel was the dish served to the old man. Gruel only main answer. G-R-U-E-L. Gruel. Already having question. The was the dish served to the old man. Already having question. Gruel is a main answer. Simply having in the answer. G-R-U-E-L. Gruel only answer. Otherwise, was the dish served to the old man? Having in the question, write carefully. Now, going to third question. Why did the old man need someone? The old man needed someone to take care of his wealth and service after him. Why did the old man need someone? The old man needed. Question asked need. You write the answer needed. Ed add needed. Someone to take care of his wealth and service after him. Now we are going to fourth question. How did the old man discuss himself? The old man discussed himself as a beggar. Already having the old man discussed himself, already having in the question. You write discuss. Asked question discuss. You write the answer discussed. The old man discussed himself as a beggar only answer. A-S as a beggar. B-E-G-G-A-R beggar. The old man discussed himself as a beggar. Understand? Now we are going to fifth question. Whose hospitality is described in the poem? Mother Nature hospitality is described in the poem. Mother Nature is a main answer. Mother Nature's apostrophe S you only used. Mother Nature's hospitality is described in the poem. Already having in the question. Mother Nature is a main answer. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother Nature. N-A-T-U-R-E. Yes, apostrophe S only used. Mother Nature's hospitality is the described in the poem. Already having question. Mother Nature's hospitality is described in the poem. Now we are going to sixth question. What wins the heart? Welcoming the guest with a smiling face wins the hearts. Welcoming the guest with a smiling face wins the hearts. What wins the heart? Welcoming the guest with a smiling face. Smiling face is an important word. Welcoming the guest with a smiling face is the answer. Win the heart already having in the question. Welcoming. W-E-L-C-O-M-I-N-G. Welcoming TH the guest, G-U-E-S-T, guest, with W-I-T-H with yeah, smiling, S-M-I-L-I-N-G, smiling, F-A-C-E, face, W-I-N-S means T-H the, H-E-A-R-T-S, hearts. Welcoming the guest with a smiling face wins the hearts. Now we are going to 7th question. Who will be the fortunate? Who will be the fortunate? Those who care for their guest will be the fortunate. Those who care for their guest will be the fortunate. Those, those who, who, care, 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 for, for, their, guest, guest, will, will, be, the, fortunate, fortunate, those who care for that guest will be the fortunate. Now we are going to 8th question. How will you treat your guest? I will treat my guest with love and care. I will treat my guest with love and care. Love and care is an important answer. I will, W-I-L-L, will already having question. T-R-E-A-T, treat, my, M-Y, my, guest, G-U-E-S-T-S, guest, with W-I-T-H, with L-O-V-E, love, A-N-D, and C-A-R-E, care. I will treat my guest with love and care. Now, 9th question. Where did the bird catcher sit? Where did the bird catcher sit? The bird catcher sat under the tree. Sit already changed sand. Sit already changed sand. The bird already having question. Catcher already having question. Sit changed to sat. The bird catcher sat under the tree. Under the tree is a main answer. U-N-D-E-R, under, T-H-E, the, T-R-E-E, tree. The bird catcher sat under the tree. 10th one. Why did the bird catchers need fire? Why did the bird catchers need fire? The bird catchers needed fire to keep himself warm. The bird catchers needed, question already asked need. You write the answer, needed. Write carefully, needed. Needed already tense form, you know. That only you write needed. The bird catchers needed fire to keep himself warm. That to keep himself warm already. That is the answer. I am already give the revision. The bird catchers needed fire, already having question, to keep himself warm. That is a main answer. T-O-2, K-E-E-P, keep, H-I-M, him, S-E-L-F, self, himself, warm, W-A-R-M, warm. The bird catchers need fire to keep himself warm. Now we are going to 11th question. Who was Achilles' inspiration? Who was the Achilles' inspiration? His physical education teachers was Achilles' inspiration. His physical education teachers was Achilles' inspiration. H-I-S, his physical, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical education, E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N, education, E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N, education. Teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. That is the main answer for this question. His physical education teacher is main answer. Achilles' inspiration whose? His physical education teachers was Achilles' inspiration. Was Achilles' inspiration already having in the question? You write, carefully write. His physical education teacher was Achilles' inspiration. Understand, students? Now we are going to 12th question. How did he lost his hand? How did he lost his hand? He lost. Last change lost. Last change lost. He lost his hand in an accident. In an accident only important answer. He having lost change to lost his hand. Already having for this question. In an accident is the important answer. In an and accident. ACCIDENT accident. ACCIDENT accident. He lost his hand in an accident. Now we are going to 13th question. How did the girl seem? The girl seemed taller than all the other swimmers. How did the girl seem? The girl seemed. Question asked seem. You write the answer seemed. The girl seemed taller than all the other swimmers. THE the GIRL girl seemed. Question asked seem. You write the answer ED add seemed. SEEMED seemed taller. TALLER taller. THAN than. ALLR THE the other. OTHER other swimmer. SWIMMERS swimmers. SWIMMERS swimmers. The girl seemed taller than all the swimmer. Next 14 question. How were her strokes? Her strokes were perfect and like dancing light. Her strokes were perfect and like dancing light. HER hair strokes. STROKES strokes were. WERE were perfect. PERFECT perfect. AND and like. LIKE like dancing. DANCING dancing. Light LIGHT light. Her strokes were perfect and like dancing light. 15th one. Why did the audience cheer? Why did the audience cheer? The audience cheered because she was nearing the finishing line. The audience cheered. Ask the question cheer. You write the answer carefully. Cheered. The audience cheered. ED add. The audience cheered because she was nearing the finishing line. The 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 audience. Already having the question cheer. CHEER cheer. You add ED cheered. Because 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 SHE WAS was nearing. NEARING nearing. THE the finishing. FINISHING finishing. LINE line. The audience cheered because she was nearing the finishing line. Now we are going to 5th Roman tense form. First one go. Go, went, gone, po. First one go, went, gone, po. WENT went, GONE gone, po. Second one eat, ate, eaten, சாப்பிடு. Eat, ate, eaten, சாப்பிடு. ATE ate, EATEN eaten, சாப்பிடு. Saw, it, feed, சாப்பிடு. Eat, ate, eaten, சாப்பிடு. Third one reply. Replied, replied, reply, replied, replied, பதிலடி. REPLIED replied. Y removed IED add replied. பதிலளி. பதில் பதில் அலி அலி பதிலளி. Reply, replied, replied, பதிலளி. Fourth one wake, woke, woken, எழு. WOKE woken, WOKEN woken, ஏழு ஏழு. Wake, woke, woken, ஏழு. Fifth one offer, offered, offered, கொடு. ED only add OFFERED. ED only add offered 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 கொடு கொடு கொடு. Sixth one sit sat sat அமர். SIT sit SAT 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 அமர் அமர். Sit sat sat அமர். Seventh one get. Got gotten பெரு. Get got gotten பெரு. GOT got, GOTEN gotten, பெரு பெரு. Get got gotten, பெரு. Eighth one, refuse. Refused மறுப்பு. D only add. D one single letter only add. REFUSED refused. REFUSED refused. மாறு இப்பு மறுப்பு. refused மறுப்பு. Ninth one, catch caught பிடித்தல். CAUGHD catch பிடித்தல். PDITTAIL பிடித்தல். catch caught பிடித்தல். Tenth one, trapped பொறி. PED add. 3 letters add. PED add. trapped. TRAPPED trapped. TRAPPED trapped. பொறி. trap பொறி. 11th one, began ஆரம்பி. began ஆரம்பி. Changed one letter only. I removed first A. Second one, A changed U. began. BEGAN began. BEGUN began ஆரம்பி. RMB ஆரம்பி. began ஆரம்பி. 12th one, swim நீந்து. SWAM swam நீந்து. நீந்து. swim நீந்து. 13th one, showed காண்பி. ED only add. SHOW show. ED add showed. SHOWED showed. SHOWED showed காண்பி. காண்பி. Next 14th one, fight. fought போராடு. fought போராடு. FOUGHD fought போராடு. போராடு. fight fought போராடு. 15th one, clap. CLAP clap. 3 letters PED. CLAPPED clap. CLAPPED clap. உற்சாகப்படுத்து. உற்சாகப்படுத்து. clap உற்சாகப்படுத்து. This video will continue from part 2.